Okay guys, good morning. So, gym na naman. Leg day ko ngayon. So, andito ako sa locker room ngayon. Lalagay ko yung jacket ko at saka bag. Dadalhin ko na lang yung bag at saka yung strap ko. Para mamaya sa squat. Hindi na ako masyado madaming dali. At saka, ito, importante ito sa akin. Knee wrap. Kasi na-injured yung knees ko last year. Tagal nag-heal. Siguro umabot na mga 6 months. Okay, so, alright guys. Warm up na ako. Then, balik ako. Hello guys. So, andito na ako ngayon sa squat rack. Naka 2 sets na ako ng warm up. So, ngayon, pangatlo ko na. Body squat tsaka lunges. 10 reps. Each side sa lunges, sa body squat. 10 reps din. Tapos after nyan, magwi-weights na ako ng squats. Barbell squats. So, importante guys, mag-warm up kayo before magbuhat para at least hindi masyadong risk sa injury. Alright? Let's go. Last time. Ayan. So, warm up. Pahinga sandali. Then, barbell squat na with weights. So, unang set ko, 95 pounds na barbell squat. So, balik ako maya. Okay guys, so first set, 95 pounds barbell squat. Okay. Ayan guys, so 10 reps. Barbell squat, 95 pounds. Whew! So, last set na ako. Ngayon, mag-a-add ako ng another 50 pounds. So, lahat magiging 180 pounds na. So, try ko mga 3 or 4 na reps. Then, lilipat na ako sa mga machines. Alright, let's go. Okay, last set, 180 pounds. So, try natin kung hanggang kailan kaya natin. Ilang reps kaya. Alright. Tatong reps lang kaya. Pero okay na yun, goods na. Ayos. Alright. So, okay guys. Tapos na ako nag-barbell squat. So ngayon, magli-leg press ako. 3 sets. 12 reps. Pagkatapos nito, magli-leg extension ako. Alright. Game. Ayos. Yun. So kung magli-leg press kayo guys, huwag nyo ilalak yung knees nyo para hindi kayo ma-injure. Alright. Okay guys, tapos na ako mag-leg extension. So, ngayon, dito na naman tayo. So, lying prone position, leg curl. So, 3 sets pa rin. 12 reps. So, go! Yan. Yes. Okay guys, so last workout, calf raises. After nito, mag-a-abs ako and then cardio na. Alright, let's go. Alright. Okay guys, ab workout. Our workout ko is dali na. Hanging leg raise. Ito. Ito. Okay guys, ito na talaga itong phone ko. Kanya na lang.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my
Hindi pa pala ako tapos guys. So, may cardio pa pala ako. So, next time, magbibilag ako sa gym ko. Tutor ko kayo. Alright? So, thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.